So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are absolutely fine and sound. In this video I'll cover this amazing lab. So simply you have to click on start lab, right click over here and open the link incognito window. Now here you have to click on I understand. Just wait for it. And if you don't get any pop-up, just simply come to this page and here we have to activate the cloud. So simply click on this button to activate the cloud shell. And click on continue and then just click on authorize. Now come to the lab instruction and just come to the task number 1. Okay, first of all we have to enable all the APIs, so come to the setups and requirements page, and the first thing what we have to do is enable the Dataplex API like this. So just run it. After that export the project ID, and next to it just export the region and set the region. So this thing is done. Now we have to create a lake. Okay, e-commerce lake. So for that just paste over here. And this will take around 5 to 10 minutes, sometimes even up to 15 minutes. So wait for it to get completed. After that, we'll move ahead to the next step of this lab. So finally here you can see the lake is created. Now come back over here and check the score. After that, we have to add the zone to the lake. So just copy this code, paste on the Cloud Shell and hit enter. So finally it is also done. Now we have to just attach asset to it. So for that, just copy this code to create a BigQuery dataset. Paste over here, hit enter. Now after that, we have to just attach it. So just run the next command to attach the dataset, means asset, sorry. And after that, we have to check the score and delete all the assets. So it's taking some time, wait for it. Now you can clearly see all these things are done. It will take some time. For first task, it takes around 10 to 15 minutes, sometimes even 4 to 5 minutes also. Now once you get 75 out of 100, for last task, you have to just copy this code. That is deleting all the assets, whatever we have created. Type Y, hit enter. And it's doing its task. So we have to wait for it to get completed. So finally it is successfully deleted. Now we have to simply check the score. Okay, so we have to run each command one by one. So first thing we deleted the asset. Now we have to delete the zone. So let me just do it. If it asks why, hit enter. It's again taking some time. Now we have to add another. The last we have to delete the data set. Just type y, hit enter. Okay, so all these things are deleted. Now let's try to check the score. So yes, we got the score. Do like the video and subscribe the channel guys, and have a great day ahead.